Let's do something.
Alright guys, time check. Time check. Alas 7 na. 7:30 at may nakasakay. Put on your sleeper all the time.
Where's the other sleeper?
Nakasakay na kami ng ferry. And again, first experience namin to. So I'm going to share with you guys how it's going to be. Para naman meron kayong idea kasi yung mga napanood ko na vlog, hindi nailagay yung mga details kung ano yung experience nila sa loob ng ferry. Especially dito sa air-conditioner room na tag 1,000 pesos plus yung kada bed. Alright, mamaya. Kasi ngayon wala pa masyadong tao, mas maganda mag-film. Yan. So, bali up and down lahat siya. Yung bed is half a meter lang siya guys. By 2 meters. So, hindi masyadong kataasan. You have to bring your own pillow at saka yung blanket ninyo kasi wala silang pinoprovide. Ayan. Then, letter B sa taas, letter A sa baba. So, lahat ng numbers na letter A nasa baba siya. And lahat ng numbers na letter B sa upper deck sila. Then, they are providing all vest or life vest kada bed. Ayan si Chico, natutulog na si Chico.
A few moments later.
Alright. So, eto guys, kailangan talaga power bank. Mabuti na lang, may dala ko akong power bank. Naubos yung isa and then ngayon gagamitin ko tong extra. This one is good for me for 2 days. So, kung marami yung makikicharge, ayan, isang araw lang siya. Pero at least worth it talaga. Very fast charger. Pasok ko na. Okay guys, time check natin. It's already 8 o'clock ng gabi. I believe in 1 hour, aalis na yung ferry. So far, marami pa rin mga empty spaces ng bed. Sana hindi masyadong mapuno. Sana merong bakante para magamit natin yung mga lower bed space. Ilang toilet, female CR. Para naman meron kayong idea how it looks. Wow, okay. O, diba guys? Nice ang toilet. And here, meron siyang bintana. Parang breather. Oh, yan. Baka sabihin nyo, humingi lang ako ng video sa iba. So, eto, patunay ako talaga. Ayan. So, ano lang siya guys, mga toilet lang siya, walang shower. Yan natin dito sa kabila. Yes, another toilet. And another toilet. Basically, for the female, merong 3 toilets. And dahan-dahan lang tayo para hindi tayo madulas. Meron din silang place for washing hands and mirror or salamin. Hello! So, hindi ko alam kung itong isang ferry is going where. Pero, yan lang siya, ang toilet niya. But not bad. Sayang, dito pala merong mga spaces sa gilid, oh. Yan. Nice. Tapos medyo corner siya. So, dito kami. Andyan si Auntie, and then si Mama sa gilid. Auntie, this one here is a corner side.
Corner?
Yeah, you see?
Oh.
It's even colder on that side. Yes? Come, come. Come, Chico. No more what? What? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
What are you eating? Apple. Good boy. Someone loves fruits. So, pagka 2-year-old pababa, wala pa silang bayad. Pero, mag-share kayo ng bed. Yun yung downside niya. Medyo maliit pa naman yung bed, no? Pero okay lang, we will manage. Lahat kami nagbayad ng ticket. Pero kapag PWD, katulad ni Mama na senior, half lang yung binayaran. And then, the rest ay meron ng bed. Si Calby meron na din. So, mamaya makakatulog siya ng maayos. Let's go na, let's go.
Where?
In our beds.
What?
Alright. So for dinner guys, ayan ang kapatid ko. Kumakain siya ng pack dinner. Binibenta yan dito sa loob ng ferry. Bali marami yung mga nagbebenta katulad niyan, mga prutas, merong mga oranges, grapes. Sometimes merong mga nagbebenta din ng Dunkin in boxes, no? Dunkin Donuts. Pero when it comes to heavy dinner talaga, merong naglalako ng chicken and rice. So what I did, I just bought for my family para kahit na mamaya pag gutom, siguradong may makakain. Kasi walang restaurant eh. Kailangan talaga meron tayong pagkain dito. So sana another option nun if you don't want to buy from the ferry, you can do take out sa labas bago kayo sumakay ng ferry. So pwedeng may nakita akong kumakain ng Jollibee, may kumakain ng mga karinderya food, may kumakain ng mga chowking. So pwedeng ganun. Kami kasi ang binili namin prutas para sa mga bata and then tinapay and tubig, mga essentials. Pero hindi kami nakabili ng dinner. Pero okay lang din, goods lang din. Masarap. Sarap naman daw. Oh. Tingin nga. Okay. Ang presyo niyan guys is around 150 pesos kada pack lunch. Pack dinner na siya pala kasi dinner na pala. So, napupuno na yung ang ferry aircon section. Slowly. Bali, 260. May cambio ako 40. Auntie, sit with this one, auntie, please. Pa? Sige. Sige. Sige lang.
Okay, come, we go.
Salamat. Oh. Thank you. Sige nanay, pahinga ka na kay gabi na oh. Sige po. Salamat ma'am.
One eternity later.
Alright. Good morning guys. Good morning. Time check tayo. 6:00 na umaga. At least nakatulog tayo ng content. Pero okay lang yung experience ng ng ferry. Para ka lang dinuduyan. Tulog pa yung mga bata, so iikot muna ako kasi gusto kong makita yung ferry. Kung ano ba yung itsura talaga nito sa labas. At saka tingnan natin kung madaanan natin yung kanilang economy section kasi ngayon nasa aircon section kami. And medyo bed voice pa tayo. Lumilipad pa yung mga bangs. So, eto ang kanilang aircon accommodation kung nasaan kami. And dito naman sa likod ko is ang kanilang non-aircon. So, open air lang siya. Wow! No, not yet. Kahil is in the airplane with Mami Sheena. In about few hours, maybe 1 or 2, maabot natin yung Sulu. Ayun, Holu Sulu. Sinama namin si Kulot para mag-walking, para naman makita niya kasi nagising na rin siya ng maaga pa. Ayan. Did you sleep well? Kalbi, did you sleep well? Why? What's the problem?
The water bed is not good.
It's not cool.
No.
So where are you right now?
Here.
In a big ferry. This is what they call ferry. Did you see it in your book? Did the book show you a ferry? In your book, the one with the boat and an airplane, does it have a ferry in there?
No.
No? You check when we get home, okay?
It's home.
Our home, with your book. The book with about boats. The book about boats. Remember?
Yes. But I want to go back to Nazran Ali.
Okay, we will go back there next time, okay? Yes, but the airplane goes in many places, and this time we went here, not in Uganda. Okay naman yung tulog niya, guys. Nakatulog naman siya ng maayos dito sa kanilang ferry. Pero mainitin kasi si Kulot, kaya medyo gusto niya mas malamig pa. Pero okay naman kasi air condition na siya. The experience of Holu-Sulu starts now. Kasi nandito na tayo sa kanilang malapit na tayo sa kanilang coast. At the same time, yung mga fishermen, maaga na silang nagsilabasan to do their job and catch a fish early in the morning. Ayun. Alright, pabalik na tayo ng air-condition area. Ay, sorry. Should I open your cake?
Mommy, can I have a drone and a car? I want the car to go on itself, and I also want the drone to go on itself. I want to play with them.
But they are not toys. They are things for big people. I want a drone and a car though.
No, Mom, just a toy drone and a toy car.
Okay, when Kuya Kahil is here, I will get you a toy drone and toy car so Kuya Kahil can teach you. Good? Okay. There's nothing?
Yes.
How about water?
But
Go check again.
There's fish, jellyfish,
Fisherman, did you
whale, sharks.
Did you see fisherman? Go and check again. How many boats did you see? Chico, put on your slipper. Anak, slipper first. Chico, wait lang.
A few moments later.
All deckhand, stand by for ducky crossing.
Bye.
Man your station forward and up. Man your station forward and up. Stand by.
Time check tayo, 6:30, and they are now announcing that we're going to dock.
Mama, I told
So,
you we are not
alhamdulillah, God is good. We are going to reach Holu-Sulu in few minutes. Gising na yung mga bata, guys. Ayan.
I'll never get my sneeze, Mom.
Your what, Stitch?
Nabayan mo sila kwarto. Delikado yan.
Alright, guys. Time check natin. It's around 7:15 in the morning. At nagpe-prepare na ang lahat dahil ayan na yung pier sa likod natin, as you can see. Holu-Sulu welcomes us at this morning of December 8. And ayan sa baba, maraming mga pumupunta while we are docking. I believe na normally tumatanggap sila ng mga coins or pagkain galing sa mga passengers. So, regardless of the age, they are there. Gang, basi, hindi pwede ba? Ayaw lang, ikaw lang. Sige daw.
Pag tumanila sa kapal sila, delikado.
Oh. Wow, full of action. Wow, this is a very colorful and vibrant activity sa umaga. First time kong nakawitness ng ganito. And I can really see na they are very expert sa pag-dive, you guys. Kasi imagine yung coin pag nahulog sa tubig, pag may nagbigay sila at nahulog sa water, talagang sinisisid nila regardless sa edad ng mga ng bata. So nakikita ko dito, the youngest here should be around 7 years old. Meron mga bata na 7 years old, in fairness. Ayan. Alright guys, so aalis na kami and it's just a good experience na makakita tayo ng beauty ng Jolo from the dock. And right now, pababa na lahat ng mga pasahero. Ang importante talaga kapag mga travel, makatulog ka, no? Kasi right now I feel refreshed, at least hindi man presko kasi wala pa tayong maayos na hugas at ligo. Dahil talagang congested yung toilet at walang enough water. Pero okay lang. So right now, pagbaba namin dito, we will go directly sa accommodation namin dito sa Jolo Sulu to have our breakfast and freshen up. And then after that, we will proceed for our first day tour. Ayan. So samahan nyo kami for today and sana mag-enjoy kayo sa episode na to ng aming kwento-kwento sa Jolo Sulu. Come here, come here. Bobby, come here. Hold my hand, oh.
Mama, big boy.
Sorry?
Mama, big boy.
You're a big boy. So, sa ferry na sinakyan namin, guys, meron ding mga vehicles and loaded trucks. Katulad nito, punong-puno ng bawang. So, hindi lang siya ginagamit for passenger ferry, kundi pati na rin for bringing products inside of Jolo Sulu. Let's go this way. Medyo masikip talaga siya, kaya dahan-dahan lang tayo. Careful lang talaga kasi meron siyang mga truck sa gilid. Mga itlog, groceries. Yay! We are out now. Thank you. Ayan, hello. All right. So we were able to get out na sa ferry exactly 7:40 AM. And sinundo na agad kami ng aming tour guides. Siyempre kasali dito yung, hindi kasi pwede dito pumunta sa Jolo Sulu nang wala kayong contact or wala kayong tour guide from here. Para lahat talaga arranged and organized. Let's go inside. Ang first stop natin is breakfast and I am hearing na yung kanila talagang traditional na breakfast yung kakainin natin ngayon, which is sati. So let's go. Dili siguro kami ako. Isa lang po. So for breakfast, welcome breakfast natin dito sa Jolo Sulu is ang kanilang popular sati. Hindi kompleto yung ating holiday sa Zamboanga at Sulu kapag walang sati, guys. So, unang subo for the road. Cheers! Sir, wag na to, sir. Wag na po yung isa, sir. Okay na.
A few moments later.
Morning. They're coming to their room. Yung mga kasamahan ko, sir, 17 sila. So this is where we are going to stay for a night. Ay. So, dito kami mag-stay for one night while in Holo Sulu. This is Peacekeepers Inn. So, 6 kami, bali, ilang tao dito? 17, that's for 2 people. Then 19. Let's go this way. Dito tayo sa 4 people sa isang room. Alright. Up. Ay.
Pa-check ko muna.
Ha?
Pa-check ko muna yung room.
Alright guys, kaka-freshen up lang namin dito sa aming accommodation. Binigyan lang nila kami ng 30 minutes to freshen up. And then, diretso kami for the first activity of the day, which is ang aming city tour muna ng Holo. And then in the afternoon, we will be able to see the beautiful and heavenly beaches ng Holo. So, sino ang excited? Ako. Ako ang sobrang excited, you guys. Pero isasama ko kayo, syempre hindi ko kayo iiwan sa kwento-kwento at lakwatsa ng aking buhay bilang single nanay ng 4. Ayan, if you wanna see more of this episode, of course, keep on watching.